I can quickly load tops data from multiple users, or ASCII file tops. So I can browse to where my formation tops exist. I can see here how they're displayed in my sheet. And I can interactively pick by API, formation, source, measure depth, TBD. Right now the top data is at MD. I could also pick TBD, TBD sub C. Right now we're going to just use TBD. Interactively select top name and top depth and interpreter. Once I've done that, I can save as a template and load it in other times when I'm loading top data. Here we have what's going to be imported and where. You can easily protect this, check all, or uncheck. But let's quickly load this data. There we go. And we just loaded 264 tops. So let's close. And you can see my log plot's already updated. So let's pick depths. And from here, what I can do is create new tops or modify tops. So if I don't quite agree with this particular top, I can change that and move it up. I can also create tops. So if I want to create a top here, I can do that. And I can also delete tops. So we're going to save that change and exit. Next thing I can do is zone my region. So I can right click and pick zone. And I can pick either from top to top. We're going to call this Dolomites. Or I can pick from a depth. So let's go pick zone. From here to a top. And let's create this one as OPCA. And click OK. And right now I can't see my zones, but what I can do here is go to Format. And I can double click. And I can find that zone and the other zone that I just created. I'm going to use these zones. I can select from here, I can use a fill pattern. We're going to use this fill pattern for that. And then this one, I'm just going to use a solid color for there. From here, I can select the tracks where I want to see these zones. Great thing with PowerLog is you can copy and paste data into other cells. I'm going to do that. Click OK. And now you can see the zones that I just defined. So let's go pick depths and zoom in a little closer. You can see this zone's defined here and this zone's defined between two tops.